Hello students, welcome to all of you, and I hope that your preparation is going well in the reference of science examination. Your science exam is on your head, so do your preparation in a proper manner. And the chapter which is scheduled for periodic first in chemistry, that is matter in our surroundings, I have revised twice or thrice times. So I hope that you have prepared that points very clearly, and in science examination, out of 40 questions, 12 or 13 questions will be from chemistry and rest will be from other science stream subjects. So must prepare, and the pattern of the questions will be MCQ. Okay? Students, in order to boost up your confidence in today's revision, I am going to provide you some specimen MCQ type questions which will strengthen your confidence in upcoming examination. So let's start. Which type of questions will come from this subject chemistry? So let's start. And just this is a specimen of the question which may ask in examination. So you have to prepare yourself in such a manner that you do much better, you perform much better in upcoming PT first examination. Okay children, so let's start. Select the only right choice in the following questions. Means the type of the questions which will be given in this will be select the only right choice in the following questions. Suppose first question is evaporation causes. So 4 options will be given, in which the option which will be correct you have to trick it or you have to write it. Suppose 4 options of that. First question is heating, cooling, neither heating nor cooling, none. So as you are knowing which is correct, so you have to trick it or you have to write that this option is correct. Similarly, second question is the boiling point of water at the Celsius scale is. So these four, in among these 4 options, you have to select which option is correct. So such a type of question may come in your PT first exam. Similarly, third question is gases have fixed volume, neither fixed volume nor fixed shape, and none of these. So which is correct you have to find out. Similarly, question 4, which of the following substance undergoes sublimation? So in these options you have to select that which is correct answer, that is sand, common salt, iodine and coal. Okay, next question is the interparticle distance is maximum in, that is first option is nitrogen, second option is water, third option is diamond, and last option is carbon dioxide. So in these 4 options you have to select which having interparticle distance maximum among these options. Okay children, next is which is highly compressible. Question is which is highly compressible, that is given option is solid, liquid, gas and dry ice. So among these 4 options you have to select which is highly compressible. So you are knowing which will be highly compressible, right? I have already taught you which will be highly compressible, which will be least compressible, and which is uncompressible. So on that basis, you can easily find out the answer of this very question. Next is the correct value of 293 Kelvin at Celsius scale is, that is 20 degrees Celsius, 193 degrees Celsius, 293 degrees Celsius, and 25 degrees Celsius. So among these you have to select the correct answer by knowing the relationship between Celsius and Kelvin scale that I have taught you in detail during the revision of this very chapter. So I hope your confidence about conversion of temperature is very clear and you can easily solve such type of questions. Next type of question. Which of the following statement is not correct? Next question is, which of the such questions will also come? Means statement, 4 statements will be given in which you have to find out which statement is right and which is wrong. If the question is coming that which is not correct, so you have to do such type of question with precaution. The question is not correct. Sometimes mistake is done that you do the correct, you reply the correct answer, but answer is here not correct. So in these options you have to find which is incorrect one. So first option is evaporation is a surface phenomena. Second is evaporation takes place at all temperatures. And next is temperature of a boiling point remains constant. And last option is boiling of a liquid involves formation of bubbles at the surface of liquid. So in these 4 options you have to select which is incorrect, not correct. Some question may become true false also. Suppose question will come among the given which statement is true or which statement is false. So you have to 4 options given there. You have to trace or you have to select or find which is true statement and which is false statement. So on the basis of such type of question, you can now in position to solve the questions which will ask in your upcoming examination of science. So children, must remember this is just a specimen, not a question which will come in examination. So prepare in this manner. Your preparation should be in this manner, and this will help you in strengthening your confidence. So do as such, and if any doubt or any problem, ask me without any hesitation. And one more thing I want to share with you, the questions may be come to the from very first point of this chapter, that is about matter. Suppose the question is 4 options will be given there which is not a matter. Suppose 4 options will be given there in the question, and question related which is not a matter. So option will be there earth, there will be book, there will be head, and there will be suppose pen. So you have to find out which is matter or not. So from very first point of the chapter, the question may also come, and I have already explained this chapter many times. So I think you are capable to do the questions concerned to the topic matter in our surroundings. Okay children? So must do preparation of this concerned chapter. And one more point, that interconversion of state I have also explained in a detail. So must know how interconversion means: solid to liquid, liquid to gas, gas to liquid, and liquid to solid, or directly solid to gas or gas to solid. These interconversions are taking place in which condition and at what process were taking place during the change of state or interconversion of state. So that type of question may be also asked, that I have just revised in previous lecture. And one more thing, interconversion of temperature is too much important. So must remember what is the formula for the interconversion of temperature. Just I will once again reminding you, the formula is C upon 5 is F minus 32 upon 9 is K. Okay, where C refers to Celsius degree, F refers to Fahrenheit, and K refers to Kelvin scale. So by using this formula, the question if asking convert Fahrenheit to Kelvin, convert centigrade to Fahrenheit, or Fahrenheit to centigrade, or Kelvin to centigrade, or centigrade to Kelvin, by using this formula you can easily solve such type of question. So students, you have to focus on these points, and also the points which I taught earlier are revised earlier. So must remember the facts which are given in this very chapter. So I hoping you will do much better in upcoming examination, and try to prepare much examples or much question on this basis. So that's all today. Best of luck, children. Thank you very much.